So you're thinking about moving to the Mandeville, Madisonville, Covington area, and you're curious to know a little bit more about those cities before you make your move, and you're wanting to know what some of the homes look like on the market. Well, today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you this house, a condo by the lakefront, and this house. So if that sounds like something you would at all be interested in, make sure you stay tuned. We're getting started right now. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know anything and everything about living in South Louisiana, the good and the bad, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell as well so that you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in South Louisiana. And if we haven't met before, I'm Carson, and my girlfriend Natalie and I are real estate agents in Madisonville, Louisiana with Wycott Realtors Luxury Properties, and we love helping people just like you with the process of buying and selling real estate. So if you're looking to make a move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, or if you're looking to sell a house, if you're down here with us in South Louisiana, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. It all starts with you reaching out to us. But anyways, back to the video. So if you haven't seen our videos before, Covington, Mandeville, and Madisonville are Northshore cities on the north side of Lake Pontchartrain, right across the pond from New Orleans. These three cities combined make up about 25,000 to 30,000 in population. Income ranges between 70,000 and 120,000, and the median price of real estate here is about 340,000. So, house number one is in a subdivision called Country Club over in Covington. You are just a mile or two away from Walmart, the new Target that's coming up soon, as well as a couple Italian restaurants. There's a Times Grill. Fazio's is one of the Italian restaurants that's so good. I can't even tell you how good this restaurant is. But anyways, yeah, like I said, just a mile or two away from everything you would need. And this is the house I'm showing you today. It is a 4-bed, 2-bath home, a little under 2,900 square feet, and it's newly renovated, listed at $515,000 or $179 per square foot. Let's check it out. I like the floors in this house, and right to the left right here, we've got a nice big open room. So white cabinets and white quartz countertops, stainless steel for the oven. You've got an electric stove, stainless steel for the dishwasher as well. Here's the laundry room. And then there's a sunroom in here. Check out how big this space is too. Again, the tall ceilings. I'll show you that backyard in just a second. Let's go check out the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are on this side of the house. So you've got one here. Okay, we'll check out the size of the closet. Walk-in closet here. And then you've got one here, and then one here. This is a different closet, let's see. Okay, so not walk-in here, but still a pretty decent sized closet. And then those three bedrooms share this bathroom right here. Again, you got the quartz counters, white drawers here. Full bathroom here. And then at the end of the hallway is the master bedroom. A lot of space in the master bedroom. It's the master bath. Shower and tub. And a walk-in closet. Now let's go check out that backyard. Isn't this beautiful? Almost tripped there. I mean, check this out. Check it out. Oh, this is so relaxing. There's a gazebo and a pool. And look, this is the adult swing, and that's the kids swing. Oh, by the way, this home does have a newly renovated clubhouse and pool. All right, so the condo I'm showing you guys is right behind me here. Of course, we're close to the Mandeville lakefront. It's right behind me. I know you can't see it really well in the camera, but guys, you are just minutes away from Whole Foods, walking distance from all of the wonderful restaurants on the Mandeville lakefront, guys. So you're in prime location. A lot of people would kill to be in this location. So this condo is 3 stories actually. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's 2,318 square feet, and it's listed at $415,000, which gives us a price per square foot of $179. It does have a $395 monthly HOA fee. However, that does include trash, water, sewage, insurance, pool, dock, and pier maintenance. So as you can see, there's stairs to my left here, and then here's this beautiful kitchen. I mean, check this thing out. I'll show you the back in just a second. We're gonna check out the half bath first. There's a half bath right here. Nice granite counters in here, as you can see. But I wanna first show you the bedrooms upstairs, and then I'll show you the back. So really nice floors here on the second story. There's more stairs over this way. There's a storage closet right here. And this is a very spacious master bedroom, as you can see. Really tall ceilings, but just wait, watch this. Look at this bathroom. Super tall ceilings, really nice counters here. Check out the bathtub, but the best part, look at this freaking closet. Come on. It's ridiculous. It's awesome though. Here's the inside of the shower here. Sorry about the microphone, by the way. I know it can rub up against my shirt or whatever, but let's check out the views from the balcony. And let's go up to the third bedroom up here. This whole floor is basically the third bedroom. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. You do have carpet up here, but plenty of room for your second bedroom. And here's a bathroom right here, full bath. Okay, all right, let's go check out the back. So nice back here. I would live here. I don't know about you guys. Let's get a close-up look at the water. But anyways, I'll see you guys at house number 3. So house number 3 is at a subdivision called Estates at Watercross, and oh my gosh, sometimes houses just make my brain explode. I love this house so much. I literally want to buy it like right now. I know you probably think I'm exaggerating and that I'm just saying that for effect so that I can sell you the house. But no, I've always been like that. Real estate is just art to me. And sometimes when the builders do a good job like on this house, oh my gosh, I don't even know, I love it. So a little bit about the subdivision. As you can see, it's a pretty new subdivision. These are all fairly new homes, okay? And you're right behind Pinnacle Parkway. So you've got your Saltgrass Steakhouse, you've got Texas Roadhouse, Olive Garden, Cracker Barrel, you've got Academy, Kohl's, all kinds of stuff, Hobby Lobby, you name it. You're right there, which is just awesome. But look, this is the house I'm showing you guys today. So 4 bed, 3 bath, 2,483 square feet, okay? And the price is $569,900. So price per square foot is right at $230. I love the brick. All right, let's go check it out. I'm loving these Covington new construction homes. They're gorgeous, oh my gosh. Here's a close-up look at those floors. Tall ceilings and obviously open floor plan here. Man, this is beautiful. Quartz, stainless, stainless, stainless steel. But anyways, over here we've got a hall tree, and then we've got a pantry in here. Huge walk-in pantry, by the way. You got your laundry room, and that actually connects over to the master bathroom and the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you that in just a second, but first let's check out the bedrooms on this side of the house. So we've got one right here, super tall ceilings again. And these bedrooms, I'm gonna show you the closet space, okay? Bathrooms right here, connected to the bedroom. White cabinets again, those same countertops. It's the shower. This way we've got more bedrooms. Let's see, we've got one there, we've got 2 here. There you go. Closet space is just about the same as the other. Now these 2 bedrooms share a bathroom right here. Forgot to turn the lights on. There we go. So here's the bathroom that these bedrooms share. As you can see, dual sinks. This almost looks like a master bathroom. But here's another bedroom right here. And speaking of master bathrooms, let's go check out that master suite. All right, so here's the bedroom right here. Beautiful. I really like the ceiling here. And that master bathroom. Wow. So you've got 2 separate vanities here. Bathtub. Beautiful shower. Look how that shower head hangs from the ceiling. I think that's pretty cool too. This is probably where I'd put my table, but I want to show you this back patio right here. And then you actually have a really nice backyard I'm going to show you. Now let's get some shots of the subdivision so you can see what some of these other homes look like. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you got some value out of seeing some houses on the market with me today. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you're looking to make your move in the next 9 days or the next 9 days, or sell your house if you're down here in South Louisiana, it all starts with you guys reaching out to us. All the contact info is in the description down below. Also, make sure you let me know in the comments section which house you like better. If you couldn't tell, I like house number 3 the best. But that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, tap that notification bell as well, and I hope to show you around town.